Hello friends, welcome to CS tutorial. Today we'll be solving problem 946, validate stack sequences. The problem statement says, given two sequences pushed and popped with distinct values, return true if and only if this could have been the result of the sequence of push and popped operations of an initially empty stack. The example we're given is pushed is an array, popped is an array, has these values. So if we look at this, we push one, we push two, we push three, we push four. But since popped as the four is the first one here, it means we popped four, then we push five, then we pop five, then we pop three, then we pop two, then we popped one. And that returns true. But if we look at this one, we pushed one, we pushed two, we pushed three, we pushed four. And four is the first one here, so we pop four. Then we popped three. Then we pushed five and popped five. But we have one, two, and then we have one, two. The only way it makes sense is two comes up first, but one came out first, so this is false. So we're just gonna go ahead and write the code, and we can go over it when we're done. First thing we want to do is get the length of pushed. Push dot length int len is equal to, and we're gonna be using a stack to solve this problem, and I'll call the stack equal to new stack, and we use this as our index. Int index is equal to 0. So for every element in our pushed array, x then pushed, what we want to do is add that to our stack. So stack.push x, and we now say while our stack is not empty, is empty, and our stack dot peak is equal to popped of index. We want to remove that from the stack, and increment our index. And when we're done, we want to return is I equal to len. Now return, sorry, this should be index. If our index is equal to len, it means we've popped as much as we've pushed, and that will mean that we're good. Or we could just check if our stack is empty. And I'm gonna go ahead and run this code, and we can see, okay, pushed dot length, pushed dot length, and I have a capital N instead of a small l. And there we have it. Our solution is correct. I will go ahead and submit this, and then we can go over it a little bit. So we using a stack and an index for the popped array. So for every element in a push, we add it to a stack, and while the stack is not empty and the stack is equal to the value that is to be popped, and we just pop it off our stack and increment our index. If not, we keep, pushing to the stack. And when we're done popping, the value index should be equal to the length of the pushed, which is the same length as the popped. And if that is true, our stack is true, else it is false based on the problem description. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Happy coding.